Your body gets calcium from the food you eat, and this nutrient is essential to keep your bones healthy and prevent osteoporosis. If you're eating a low-calorie diet in an attempt to shed some pounds, you still need to make sure you're getting enough calcium. A deficiency in calcium may even make weight loss harder. This can be especially difficult if you're on a vegan diet or if you're lactose intolerant, since dairy foods are the easiest way to get calcium. However, you can still successfully add calcium into your weight loss diet by eating plenty of leafy greens and other calcium-rich foods that are low in fat and calories. 1. Getting calcium from dairy products. Buy low-fat or skim milk. A pint, about 2 cups, of skim milk only has 190 calories, and a higher calcium content than full-fat milk. Skim milk has 25 milligrams more calcium than whole milk. If you drink just 3 glasses of skim milk each day, 1 with each meal, you'll be well on your way to getting the calcium you need. Have yogurt as a snack. Yogurt is a weight loss staple that also happens to be a significant source of calcium. Eat mature cheeses. If you're on a diet, you probably think cheese is off limits. However, mature cheeses such as aged cheddar and Parmesan are not only good sources of calcium, they can actually help you lose weight. Use milk instead of water for drinks or hot cereals. 2. Eating calcium-rich foods. Have calcium-fortified cereal and orange juice for breakfast. Season your meals with calcium-rich herbs and spices. Snack on almonds. Almonds have more calcium than any other nut, and are a good snack when you're on a weight loss diet. These nuts also are high in protein, fiber, healthy fats, and nutrients such as magnesium, manganese, and vitamin E. Sprinkle chia seeds on yogurts or cereals. Include plenty of leafy greens and beans or legumes at lunch and dinner. Add salmon to your diet. Salmon is a lean protein that is a beneficial part of any weight loss diet. Use whole grain wheat bread for sandwiches. 3. Taking calcium supplements. Review your diet carefully. Talk to your doctor. Before you start taking calcium supplements, you should talk to your doctor about whether they would benefit you. If you are taking other vitamins or medications, you also need to know if calcium supplements would interfere with those. Look for calcium citrate. There are several different types of calcium supplements available. Of these, calcium citrate is the one most easily absorbed by the body. Take the correct dosage. You want to take no more than 500 milligrams of calcium at a time, since your body can only absorb a limited amount. Try a vitamin D supplement. You may be getting plenty of calcium in your diet, but your body has difficulty absorbing it due to a vitamin D deficiency. Get plenty of other nutrients necessary to absorb calcium. In addition to a calcium supplement, you also should make sure your body has a sufficient amount of nutrients such as magnesium, manganese, and potassium, which help balance and manage your calcium intake.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,